We've shared dreams under open skies. We've loved far and we've traveled wide. But the best is yet to come.
Sabari, I am in Luang right now, and it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. And this town is beautiful. It reminds me a little bit of Hoi An in Vietnam, but with its own Lao charm. So beautiful. I am actually on my way to go to Wat Xieng Thong. It is one of the most beloved temples here. It was our royal temple as well, so it's supposed to be really, really beautiful. So let's go see what it's all about.
We've got a song and we should sing it out. There's a spark in you and a spark in me. So get up, let's take the lead. You shine bright like a million stars. Light up, the world is ours. The world is ours.
Definitely is one of the prettiest temples that I've seen. But something that I've noticed here a lot in Luang Prabang, a lot of the temples have that really pretty gold paint on them. It's so beautiful. But the temple was actually built in like the mid 1500s. It's definitely been restored since then, but it's so cool. Something that's so old and something so beautiful. And there's also this really rare reclining Buddha in one of the structures. It was made around the same time the temple was. So I thought that was super cool. Sawadee. I am so excited because today I'm going to the Kuang Si waterfalls. I have to say, this is probably the one thing that drew me here to Laos. The water's supposed to be this really pretty turquoise color. I'm just really excited. So let's go on an adventure. Waterfalls, and I started walking a little bit, but onward. And actually, there's something really cool here. There's actually a bear conservation here. There's like 6 bears here, and they're beautiful. It's so cool, you can see one right there.
All we need is love. I am certain of that, and it's all because
When I first walked in, I thought there was only one viewing spot, but there's actually so many. It's awesome. Alright, I see my first little glimpse of the first waterfall, and it's super, super blue. I was a little worried that it wasn't going to be super blue. I thought it might be a little muddy since it's the rain season, and then the rain usually picks up the mud and makes them look muddy, but it's looking pretty blue. So this waterfall is supposed to have 3 kind of main levels, but there are also little mini ones all over. It's so pretty. Alright, I have made it, and I can't believe actually how big it is. It's so much bigger in person. So cool. The funny thing that's not translating is that there's actually still water flowing from way up there, and all you really can see in the camera is water from there. Here's all the trees, but it's so beautiful. There's supposed to be an off-limit hike where you can actually swim up there, but it's off-limit and I don't want to risk getting caught. So I'm going to go back down and then swim in one of the pools. But seriously, this was one of my bucket list things that I wanted to accomplish throughout this entire year, just to see these falls, especially because of the water. So beautiful, and I'm so happy that it's still blue. I found myself a little private spot, and I'm gonna go in for a dunk. I say semi-private because there's 2 people over there. I did it! The water's cold. Alright, I was only able to stay for 2 hours because my van is about to leave in about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna head back. But yeah, it cost 20 kip for the entrance fee, which is about $2.50, and then it cost $40 for a minibus that I organized with my hostel, which is about $5. I think that's the way to go because it's about 40 kilometers outside of Luang, about 45 minutes, so it's just perfect. Alright, let's head back to Luang.
We've shared dreams under open skies. We've loved far and we've traveled wide. The best is yet to come.
So, like all big major Asian cities, there's a night market here. And since I didn't get any shirts in Vientiane, I'm gonna see if I can find any here. Alright, so I just left the night market and I left with a little bit of dessert. But I spent about $12 there, and I got 2 t-shirts, you know, just your typical touristy plain cotton t-shirt, and I got a headband and 2 postcards, and I spent only $12. So I'm not going to show you what you got because it's in my backpack, and sorry, but I'm just too lazy to go digging through it, but you'll definitely see me wearing them in the next few vlogs. So yeah, I'm gonna actually modify the shirts a little bit so they don't look so boxy, so you can see what that will look like when I get to it. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I had such a great time in Luang, Prabang, and it's such a beautiful town. It's just a really nice, old, historic feeling town. So if you want to see what I get up to next, don't forget to hit subscribe because I have something crazy happening tomorrow, so you don't want to miss it. I'll see you guys in the next one.